Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram is not loading on iPhone. If your Instagram is not loading, make sure firstly you have asked from your friend about that issue. If your friends say yes, okay, you have to wait a little while because it can be a official Instagram server problem. So they will fix it. In other hand, you can check your internet connection. If you're already using Wi-Fi, then disconnect it and use your mobile data. And go to Instagram for check loading your feed or check another social media application like Snapchat or TikTok. If those apps are loading, it is an Instagram problem. So then go to your app store. If in there has any Instagram updates, so update your Instagram application. In other way, you can delete your Instagram application and reinstall again. If those steps are not working, just go to your Instagram account and report that problem to Instagram community. For that, open your Instagram application, then click on profile, then click on settings. Then you can see help option, click on that. In the top, you can see report a problem, click on that. Then you can briefly explain what happened to your Instagram and you can attach some photos. After complete all the steps, click on send. If you following these steps correctly, you can definitely fix Instagram issue. I hope this video is very useful you guys. See you next video. Thank you.